What if I told you that you could taste life? Today is Ugadi, the Telugu New Year, and today we make the Ugadi pachadi or pickle, which has all of life's taste. Let's add some jaggery for sweetness, for the times you were in love, some tamarind for sourness, for the times you accomplished a tough goal, black pepper for the spice, for the times you traveled to far off places and witnessed beauty, some neem buds for bitterness, for the times you fought with family, some cut raw mango for pungency, for the rough times when you felt broken, some salt for the essential tanginess, for the times you enjoyed simple laughs, finally, water for everything to dissolve into, smoothly flowing forward. And when I have a spoon of this every new year, I remind myself how I shouldn't be caught off guard with what I'm living through. The Ugadi pickle wouldn't taste the same without sourness or bitterness, would it?